I wish you could see me. The previous attempts on this level have taken their toll on me. I kind of looked like I show speed trying not to laugh after the last attempt that I just did. So I'm gonna just chill out of it. The last couple attempts I've done on this level have ended with me, like, let's see, get a list of things. That was guaranteed, by the way, which is why I did that. He was going to get kicked into a wall no matter what, how I pulled him, so that was kind of sick. I just wanted to throw that out there. But basically, randomly, this level has really just been a trip. I'm coming off of one of the craziest levels in the challenge so far. That was like 6 ways from Sunday, crazy. And then I am following that up with this. It turns out this level, I hit the end turn button because it's so close to this. And then, like, after hitting the end turn button incorrectly, the bug that came up in that second Raph level in the chapter came up again because I missequenced my things and didn't think about it. After the Mouser enemies disappeared, I just wasn't thinking about that bug anymore. I actually ran into it twice. So I'm really like, you know, I'm somewhere right now, and it's not a very safe place where I'm at. Ooh. I have to like end turn here. This is awkward. Already not going well this attempt either. For anyone wondering, that was wrong. You're not crazy. That was a horrific misplay, but it's okay because this is the easy part. We're allowed to misplay. We can make mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. So don't worry about it when things don't go the way you want, because you're only human and you're allowed to make mistakes. And let's all have an awesome party together and something. I don't know. Like, just, jeez. What a moment that was. Alright. Again, save the energy drink. Gonna continue saving the energy drink. Use it now. I can do this, which is pretty awesome. I'm not going to kill him, and you might be curious as to why, because I had Sumo Stomp, but that is, you know, go watch the other Raph level, and you'll notice why I am playing like my life depends on in those situations, and it's because there is a bug. It's pretty bad. It stops you from doing that, so yeah, let's move on. Let's get to the end of this level, everybody. Just hang in there with me. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? What is this? Okay. Hang in there, everyone. Just hang in there. Nothing is wrong. Nothing's weird about what's going on. Completely normal level. Completely normal things happening. Oh my gosh, are you... Okay. I'm gonna pull this guy. This is crazy. I think I'm gonna pull this guy, right? No. I can't pull him. Wait, what is going on here? Okay, pull this guy. I think he's dead. Go over here. Stomp these guys. Juggle them. One, two, three. Flash cannon these guys. Jump over here. Juggle this guy. What was that? What is this? What? Dude. 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 This level's driving me crazy. Okay. Okay. We're almost there now. That was a bit greedy, but it's gonna work. It's going to work. It's going to work. This is the final level we need to survive. Okay. Okay. I think that's it. Oh, man. Woo. What on earth? Fitting for the last Raph level to nearly give me a conniption. But we made it out. And in fact, we made it out pretty handily. Like, we were going to be able to clear out probably the entire room eventually.